Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will bind the combo box with the SQL data source control. But this time, instead of using the quick access property, we will bind this control at runtime. Now let's proceed. Alright, now we will go ahead and place the drop-down list control in the form. Then we will see how to bind this control during the form load. So this is our form. We will place a drop-down list. Before that, we will place a label, and we will use this label in the next video. So here is the drop-down list, and we will place the drop-down list control here. And we will name this control as DD titles. So we set ID for our drop-down list control. Next, we will go to the code behind. So you can click view code to go to code behind. Right, inside the page load, here we are checking if it is not post back. That means when the form loads for the first time, we are setting our SQL data source, which we already dropped here, right? And you know what data it will pull. And to the data source property, we are setting this SQL data source control. Then data text field, we are setting it as title. Value field, we are setting it as title ID. Just like the same stuff which we set using the SQL data source, right? The same stuff we are setting it here to our combo box as well. So user will see the title, and when you pick a title, the control will give us the title ID. Finally, here for the combo box, we are making call to the data bind method. Since we set the data source and other properties, we are making call to data bind. So here we are binding the combo box to the SQL data source at runtime. During the form load, it will get bound to the corresponding data source control. All right. Now let's run it. So here you can see the drop-down list also displaying the similar fields. All right. So that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.